Hi everybody, Bryant Blakemore here with Tequachi Motorsports, and I'm going to go over some new lighting that I picked up from STEDI in Australia. You might recall from some previous videos and posts that I bought some 8-inch spotlights from this company. These guys are, again, they're in Australia and they build some pretty quality lighting at affordable pricing. I needed something on the chase truck to help with reversing. The lights that I have for reverse lights are a combo LED stop turn tail signal with a reverse light function in it as well. They're not very bright. I've got tinted windows. It's a big truck. It's difficult to see backing up behind everything. So I wanted something that I could direct in the back but was low profile and didn't take up a lot of space and was easy to mount and easy to function with, but would still put out a quality light pattern and amount in the back of the truck so that I could see. So STEDI, I wanted to give them a shot. They have a rock light. They've got multicolored, but they also had single colored rock lights. So that's what I picked up. Let's see what we got in this package here. I picked up a pair of these. I'll only show you, of course, one at a time. But this is a surface mount LED rock light. It's a white light only. It's not a color changing light or anything like that, like you see on some other versions of rock lights, which they also have as well. I liked this light because of the price of a pair, including shipping from Australia, and these pretty awesome 30-degree mounts. These mounts will angle the light at 30 degrees downward instead of being flush and projecting the light straight out. It points it down a little bit more, which is good for reverse lights. And actually why I bought these, they had a paid advertisement, I guess, going, and it targeted me on social media. I saw it and I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. I'll check it out. The price was right, and so I picked them up. So for 2 of these lights and 2 mounting brackets and shipping from Australia, I spent about $75. That's a really fair price compared to Baja Designs or some of the other companies that create what I feel to be a comparable light. Again, the boxing that STEDI has is really nice. It's got a 2-year warranty on it. It's good for 3 meters underwater for 30 minutes. One light will pull 0.4 amps, and it's good for a 12-volt system, of course, like on any other car. So we'll open this up here. We'll talk about what we've got inside here a little bit. Going to open this cardboard up. There we go. So this light has a nice structure to it. It's a metal housing on the outside, and the lens is really clear. That it's got 3 little LED chips inside, and it puts out quite a bit of light. I've already opened up one of these to test it at my shop last night. I didn't get any footage or pictures, but I'll be sure to do that after I get them mounted today. And it does a really good job. It puts out quite a bit of light for such a small package, and it puts it where I think will be valuable to me as a reverse light. So I'm pretty happy about that. This is a really nice piece here. It's got a rubberized lead on the wiring, of course, positive and negative wires. And there's plenty of it. There's plenty of lead to run this wherever you want. Where I plan on mounting these on the truck, I'm probably going to trim them down substantially. But it's nice to know that I've got enough lead here to run this almost wherever I need or want. Inside, included in this kit, is a flush mounting bracket, rubberized to kind of insulate it from shock. And it's got a place for the mounting holes for the light itself, as well as a place for the cable to run through, which is a nice addition as well. Okay, so this is supposed to be split like that. So this 30-degree one that I had, let me see if this one has that split in it too. Let's take a look. So the first 30-degree mount that I opened up last night as I was test fitting these to try to figure out where I wanted to put them on the truck. Yep. Okay. So the rubber is split here to help run the wire through it. That way, if you've got it run, you can just slip this in instead of having to feed it through and pull it all the way through everything. That's pretty nice. This, again, flush mount and this is the 30 degree. If you can see the difference here from the mounting surface, this will angle the light down. I guess you could also angle the light up if you wanted, if you needed some vertical lighting or some higher lighting up somewhere for some reason. But for me, I need to flush mount this with the light angled down. That will help project the light down on the ground and towards the sides of the vehicle for using as a reverse light function. And I plan on wiring this up directly into the reverse lights on the vehicle, not on a switch or anything like that, though I may change that later. Again, another STEDI product from Australia, STEDI. I'll post a link when I post this video included with it so that you can go check them out. I'm happy with these products. I ordered this and it showed up from Australia in less than a week. I was pretty impressed with that. Their shipping is very good. The tracking is very good. They're using reputable companies for shipping, unlike some other foreign products that I've ordered that still haven't shown up yet. Over a month after I've purchased them. I'm gonna have to find out about that. But yeah, STEDI Australia, single color LED rock lights with a 30 degree mount. We'll get these mounted up on the chase truck and I'll show you what they look like at night. That's better. Okay, so no reverse lights. And then now we've got reverse lights on. This focus is pretty fuzzy, so it's not going to be that great of a picture. But you can see lighting up the back canyon a little bit where I'm parked. You can kind of see in that mirror as well. And then here's what it looks like being out of the vehicle. That's that one STEDI light covered up. And there it is. This is standing in between both of them. Pretty good throw. Be better if it was out that way a little more, so I may add a corner light or something. Okay, so this is with both STEDI lights. With no STEDI lights, this is what my reverse looked like before adding the STEDI lights to it. There's the STEDIs. Pretty significant amount of light, especially in this area here. Not quite so much all the way that far back, but just immediately behind. But like I said, I'd like to have a little more light to the sides. I think would be a little better. So maybe I'll add another light like right here on the edge of the box or something, just to throw a little bit out this way. But not too bad. Not too bad.